Alright folks, now check out what just landed here at Kia of Saskatoon's lot. This is a 2018 Rio EX. Take a look at those LED headlights. This thing just looks sporty. And of course, once you're coming around here, I'll back away here so you can see the whole car. This thing looks sharp. It is a great looking vehicle, and of course this is the 4-door sedan version. It's got the nice wheels. Take a look at the rear. This has a nice little rear diffuser on it to give it that nice little sporty look. Get a good little look at that. Now this Rio EX has a lot of features. The nice thing about these cars is that they actually have quite a bit of space inside as well as in the trunk as well. So when you're coming around here, as you can see, you have the rear seats back here. You got the USB port in the back so that your passengers can actually charge their mobile devices or whatever it is. They got cup holders in the doors. And also as well, this is keyless entry, so you see you got the button there to lock it and open up your doors. One thing I think that's really cool is the latch is here for your trunk and for your gas cap. And also too, this has these nice all-weather floor mats in that. So this thing is ready for any kind of weather, no matter what the conditions are. And even in the snow, because you want to know what this has? This has, let me just get this out of the way here. We got heated seats in the front as well as a heated steering wheel, and you can also turn on a sport mode with the vehicle. So you can make it a little bit more fun to drive. So it doesn't just look sporty, it also drives sporty as well. And of course you also got the push button start over there. A nice big touch screen with Sirius XM and Bluetooth. And you got this nice big rear view camera. Gotta love having a rear view camera, especially in today's day and age. It just makes life so much easier. You also got the moon roof up here as well. As you can see, you got the control to open it and close it right there. And what's nice about the Kias, folks, is that I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but they have some of the best warranty on the market. They come with 5-year, 100,000 full comprehensive warranty, and that also includes roadside assistance. So let's see if we can get this to work, to zoom in there. It's kind of hard to see in the dark, but you got these little buttons underneath the mirror there, and what those do is allows you to get some roadside assistance in case you need it. It's right there, just a push of a button in case you have some issues on the road. Now of course here too, this is an 18 and it only has 28,000 kilometers on it, so this is a great buy. It's a great vehicle for someone that needs a good daily commuter. This is the one that you want. So come on down to Kia of Saskatoon. We take anything in as a trade-in. Keep in mind that means boats, campers, RVs, TVs, houses, whatever you got, bring it on down. We will give you a value, and and then you can decide if you want to send it in as a trade. All right, folks, we look forward to seeing you here soon. We will make sure to follow us on Facebook, our Instagram, and of course, hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel.